Yeah, so now we can also look for the same question, retrieve the names of employees who work for research department by using nested queries also. So what is this nested queries? Query within a query, we will call that as the nested query. Okay, suppose a query which is already written, within that if you want to select one particular set of values, we can make use of nested query. Our question is retrieve the name and address of all employees who work for research department. So for that what we have done, we have just written select star from employee table and department table, where we have used join condition. What is that? D number equals to DNO and department name, that is DEPNAME, department name equals to research. So in this way we have written a query to get the details of employees who work for research department. Same query can also be written by using the nested query. So what needs to be done? First we should retrieve the department number where the department name is research. What is that? Select DNO. DNO is attribute that is present in the department table. Select DNO from department where department name equals to research. So from this, sorry, just a minute, we should write that in quotes. So here we are extracting the department number in which the department name is research, right? So from that what we will do, we are going to map that with all the department numbers that are present in the employee. So what we will do, select, we need the details. Right now I'm just taking star. Select star from employee where department number, in employee table department number attribute name is D number, where D number equals to, we have to take, so from this we got 1. So where department number equals to 1 means we will get the details of all the employees. These are the employees who are working in research department. So I can't directly write 1 here. So what I can do is select star from department where D number, we can use in operator. In operator is used to select the multiple values from the inner query. So here we will write where department number in. So where department number in, we will write a inner query. What is that inner query? Select department number from department table where department name is research. So that query I am writing. So this inner query, what it does, it will extract the department number from the department table where the department name is research. From this inner query, what is the output? 1. So that might be some multiple values also it will extract. So that it will be taken and it will be retrieving the details of employees. So just a minute. Unknown column research. I didn't put quotes here. So let's put quotes. Yeah. So now these are the details of employees who work for research department. Same query, what we have written here, the same thing we have written here, only the difference is here we have taken nested query, means a query within a query, we will call it as a nested query. Right now we want only the names of employees or names and address of employees, then we will write F name, middle name and last name followed by address if I want. Then I get only those details of names of employees who work for the research department. Okay, so next we are going to understand about the aggregate functions. What are these aggregate functions? Aggregate functions are min function, max function, average function and count function and then sum function. So these are the 5 functions that is used in order to find out some particular operation over a table. First we will look for min max. So we will write select star from employee. Just a minute. We should write star. Select star from employee. So in this, my question is retrieve the name of an employee who is getting maximum salary. Who is getting maximum salary? That is 90,000 is the maximum salary. Who is that person? Rupa. So Rupa name should be displayed. So select max of salary from EMP. That's it. So max salary is displayed. But my question is I need the name of an employee also. So for that we will able to write it as select. We have to write some nested query into this. So let me write select F name from employee table where salary in now write this in the nested query. So first what we have done, we have found out the maximum salary. That maximum salary is getting which employee, that we are checking. Now that is Rupa. So Rupa is the employee who is getting maximum salary. Now we will check the employee who is getting minimum salary. So we will write min. What is that? 30,000 is a minimum salary. Who is getting? John is getting the minimum salary. Same query. What we will do is here we will change max to min. So we will get John. He is getting the minimum salary. Okay. So now my question is retrieve the names of employees whose salary is less than the average salary of an employee. So then we can write it as average function. AVG is the average salary. Average salary is 64,285. So we need to retrieve the names of employees whose salary is more than the average salary what they are getting. So for that what we will write, select the name from employee where salary in, here we will write average salary. Average, but it should be more than that. So more than 64,000, who is getting salary? 70, that is Samuel. 90 Rupa, 80 Samyukta and Santosh. So Samuel, Rupa, Samyukta, Santosh, these names should be displayed. Those are the employees who are getting salary more than the average salary. So here what we should write, we should put greater than symbol. So greater than that particular 64,000, those employee names should be displayed. So now we got Samuel, Rupa, Samyukta and Santosh. So that's the use of min salary, max salary and average salary. Now I want to know how many employees are there in the company. So how many employees are there in the company? If you check here, select star from employee. How many are there? I am counting the rows, right? Based on SSN. SSN is unique. Sometimes name might be same. So take the unique attribute and count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need 7. What we will write? Select. Count is a function which counts the number of rows. You can either take star or you can also take SSN. Star means entire row it will check, or particular attribute if you take that count it will take. But we need the details of employees. So better take star. Count star from employee. Sorry, my table is only EMP. So we'll get how many employees are there? 7 employees are there. Okay. So that's the use of count function. Next is I should know the sum of salary. Total sum of salary of a company. So select sum of salary from EMP. So that gives sum of salary of entire. It will calculate all the sum of. If you want to count the values of all the rows of particular attribute, then you can make use of sum function. That is the use of min function, max function, average function, then count function, and then the sum function. So that's the use of these aggregate functions. In complex queries, we will write nested queries, and also we will make use of this particular aggregate functions to count how many are there. Suppose my question is retrieve the number of employees present in research department. So in research department, I need the number of employees. Okay, so let's see how many are there. Select star from department. So this is the research department, but that is 1. I should check for employee table. For department 1, how many employees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am counting it. So the count function itself should count it and give that there are 5 employees are there in research department, right? So for that, what we will do, first we will extract the department number, right? So what we will do, select department number from department. So from this, what we will get from the department where the department name is research, right? Department name equals to research. Okay, so with this we will get the department number D1. Okay, now first join these two tables. From that you have to count it. So how we will write, select join, or you can take nested. Right now we need to count it, no, so don't go for nested. We will just write joining two tables. Select star from employee comma department table where D number equals to DNO and department name equals to research.